Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening Settings and going directly to Face ID and Passcode. Enter your device passcode when prompted. Once done, make sure you see the list of available Face ID options. iPhone models and iOS versions show slightly different labels. Now, decide whether to temporarily disable Face ID for specific uses or remove biometric data entirely. Both are available here, so choose the correct button before proceeding to avoid accidental lockouts. You'll see switches for iPhone Unlock, App Store, Apple Pay, and Password Auto-Fill. Tap each toggle off to stop Face ID for that function. Once you disable a toggle, that feature will require your passcode the next time you use it, which provides a quick safety layer. Make sure to verify each switch visually. If you want to preserve Face ID for some tasks, only disable the ones you don't want, and then test one app to confirm behavior before moving on. When you're ready to remove biometric access, tap Reset Face ID to erase stored face data. This stops Face ID entirely until you set it up again. Once reset, restart your iPhone to ensure system state updates. This fixes most cases where toggles appear unchanged. If you run into problems like passcode rejection, sign in with your Apple ID for recovery options or contact Apple support. They can guide you, especially if you suspect a software glitch or hardware issue.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.